Good day, everyone. This is Morigray Services Nigeria Limited. We are here this hour to install thunder protection. There are some materials that you needed to know about it. Number one, we have earth mat. We have earth rod. We have copper tape. And we need galvanized pipe. The galvanized pipe could be 12 feet galvanized pipe. It could be 18 feet galvanized pipe. But in this case, we are using 18 feet galvanized pipe. Now, you see how we are opening the copper mat for the preparation to install the system. You install this system to help you protect your inverter system against lightning and thunder. And that is why it's very, very important. If your thunder arrestor is not properly installed, it may not be able to carry out the protection needed. Look at how we are doing it. We have entered the pit now. As you can see, we are preparing it. We want to install it now. You see the galvanized pipe inside the ground. This one is 18 feet galvanized pipe. You see the mat, copper mat we are using, and you see the earth rod we are using. We want to join them together to make sure that there is communication between the galvanized pipe and the earth mat, the earth rod, and the copper tape, which will be connected from this pit now to the spike up. And that is why you need to watch it as we are sending it down. See, the copper tape rod is going down now. Copper rod, I'm sending it down to the required level. You can as well tap the head with your hammer and it goes down. So watch as I install it now. I'm locking it now, the earth rod now with the earth mat. Watch it. That is a point that I open on the earth mat with the drilling machine. So the earth mat now has been connected to the earth rod successfully. Watch out as the earth copper tape now will be connected to the galvanized pipe. Copper tape will be connected to the galvanized pipe with the aid of U-clamp. See how I use plier to fasten the copper mat to the earth rod. That is the point that the copper mat is connected to the earth rod. We are a group of engineers that work together, share the idea, and work together for the effectiveness of the system. This is the U-clamp. As you can see, the U-clamp. I will use the U-clamp now. See the U-clamp? U-clamp comprises copper rod threaded to enable you screw the nut to it. for proper termination, as you can see it. See how I'm installing it. That is the nut. It's 17 spanner nut. These 4 items need to communicate together to enable a good performance. If you don't have 17 spanner at your disposal at this moment, you can use plier to lock it. And that is why I'm using the plier now. See our team of engineers that are executing this project. The next video I will drop on the earthing system, you will see how we mix charcoals with salt, industrial salt. Not the one that you use to eat and call it salt, no. Pure industrial salt with sand to create a moisture on it. So the next video, watch out as we teach you how to mix them together before you pour it in the pit for this installation. This is how it ought to be connected. Subscribe to our videos to watch everything about solar and inverter installations. We'll teach you how to design it, we'll teach you how to install, and we'll teach you how to maintain, because that is what we do. So if you know the installation without the protective part of it, you likely fail in your journey of the career, to take career on solar and inverter system. Thank you for watching.